Hey there, blockchain enthusiasts and curious minds. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to delve into. We'll be discussing the top 6 blockchain technologies that are making waves across various industries. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey through the world of blockchain innovation, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's dive in. Number 1. Blockchain Basics. Before we get into the specifics, let's quickly refresh our understanding of blockchain. In simple terms, a blockchain is a decentralized and distributed digital ledger that records transactions across multiple computers in a secure, transparent, and immutable manner. Each block contains a set of transactions, and once verified through consensus mechanisms like proof of work or proof of stake, it's added to the chain. The decentralized nature ensures that no single entity has control, making it resistant to tampering and fraud. Think of it as a digital, unalterable record-keeping system that can be applied to various sectors. Number 2. Smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into lines of code. They automatically execute and enforce contract terms when predetermined conditions are met. Imagine renting an apartment. With a smart contract, your payment triggers the digital keys to be sent to you, and the contract is updated in real time. This technology not only eliminates the need for intermediaries, but also reduces the potential for human error and disputes. One of the most notable platforms for smart contracts is Ethereum, which introduced the concept of decentralized applications, or dApps. These dApps are powered by smart contracts and have given rise to a new era of innovation. Number 3. Decentralized finance, DeFi. Get ready for a financial revolution. It's decentralized finance, or DeFi. DeFi refers to the use of blockchain technology to recreate traditional financial systems without the need for intermediaries like banks. Picture this: you can lend your cryptocurrency to others and earn interest directly without relying on a bank as a middleman. Similarly, you can borrow funds by collateralizing your assets, all managed through smart contracts. Platforms like Compound, Aave, and MakerDAO are pioneering this movement, and the growth of DeFi has been nothing short of phenomenal. DeFi has the potential to increase financial inclusion and empower individuals globally. Number 4. Supply chain management. Ever wondered about the journey your morning cup of coffee takes before it reaches your mug? Well, blockchain is transforming supply chain management. With its transparent and traceable nature, blockchain ensures that every step of a product's journey is recorded, reducing fraud, ensuring quality, and increasing accountability. Take the diamond industry, for example. By recording each diamond's journey from mine to market on a blockchain, consumers can be confident in the ethical sourcing of their precious stones. Walmart and IBM, for instance, have implemented blockchain in their supply chains to enhance food safety and traceability. Number 5. Identity management. Say hello to secure digital identities. Traditional methods of managing identity and personal data often come with privacy risks. Blockchain offers a solution by allowing users to control their own digital identities through encrypted keys. Imagine a world where you have control over who accesses your data and when, whether it's for healthcare records, voting, or online services. This technology can be immensely helpful in verifying credentials, managing access, and reducing identity theft. Governments and startups alike are exploring blockchain for more secure and user-centric identity systems that put individuals back in control. With blockchain, your identity becomes truly self-sovereign. Number 6. Energy management. Our final stop is the realm of energy management. Blockchain is playing a significant role in creating a decentralized and transparent energy marketplace. By enabling peer-to-peer energy trading and tracking the origin of renewable energy, blockchain is driving the transition to cleaner and more sustainable energy sources. Imagine generating excess solar energy at home and selling it directly to your neighbor. Blockchain makes this possible by recording and verifying these transactions securely. Platforms like Powerledger and Grid Plus are leading the charge in this sector, bringing us one step closer to a greener future. This intersection of blockchain and renewable energy has the potential to revolutionize how we produce, distribute, and consume power. If you found this video informative and intriguing, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow blockchain enthusiasts. Also, comment down below which blockchain technology excites you the most and why. And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time to hit that button. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep embracing the blockchain revolution.